Emotional burnout, explained by ducks. Duck not sad, not angry, not crying, just done. Duck used to care, used to try, used to flap extra hard. Now duck can't even lift one wing. Pond feels far, everything feels loud, even small things feel big. Replying to messages hard. Making breakfast is hard. Being duck is hard. Duck scrolls but doesn't read. Duck eats but doesn't taste. Duck sleeps but still tired. Duck say, I'm fine. Duck is not fine. Duck is empty. Other birds say, take a break. Ducks say, this is the break, and it still doesn't help. Burnout is not laziness, not weakness. It's too much, for too long, with not enough rest and way too much pressure. Duck doesn't need to be fixed. Duck needs to stop surviving and start feeling safe again. Duck needs time, and softness, and less noise, and no one saying, but you used to do so much. Duck is still duck, just a very tired one.